After the beep, please say your mother's maiden name or password that was set up on your account.
Go f yourself. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today this is about debit card fraud. Now, if you got a text message from any funky area code and it's telling you to call an 800 number, do not do it. This is 100% fraud. It sounds legit. It is not legit. And I want you to hear this phone call. Actually, I called the number to verify the legitimacy of it. From my IP phone, it has no idea who I am, yet I was verified. So it proves it's a scam. If you have any doubt in your mind about text messages telling you that your debit card's been on hold or credit hold, whatever, call the actual number on the back of the credit card and ask questions. Do not ever call the phone number that you've been texted. This is to prevent any fraud. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to Chase. Para español, oprima el asterisco. You've reached the Chase Fraud Department. Okay. We've located your account using your phone number. Your debit card has been temporarily restricted, and you'll not be able to use your card at this time. In order to prevent fraud, and to help maintain the security of your account, you'll need to complete a quick phone verification. This will only take a moment. We apologize for any inconvenience, and appreciate your patience. Please have your debit card readily available before we get started.
This is a bunch of crap.
Please enter your full 16-digit debit card number. Please enter the month and year of the expiration date that appear on the front of your card, using 2-digit for the month and 2-digit for the year.
I put in...
Please enter the 3-digit security code
I just
found to the
entered
right of the signature
0808.
strip on the right of your card. Please enter your debit card PIN, the same PIN that you use at the ATM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Please enter the primary account holder's full social security number.
Oh my god. Scam alert.
Please enter the 5-digit zip code of your billing address. After the beep, please say your mother's maiden name or password that was set up on your account.
Go f yourself.
And now to complete your verification, after the beep, please say the primary account holder's full name as it appears on the front of the card.
FBI fraud prevention.
Please wait. I'm validating your information. The verification was successful. Your account is now fully verified, and your card is ready for use. There's no further action required by you at this time. Your account was randomly selected for this verification, as stated in your service agreement. All our customers are subject to random verification from time to time. This is a part of our effort to fight fraud and to protect our customers. This is a part of our effort to fight fraud and to protect our customers. And, just so you know, effective as of January of this year, we've initiated new security measures to keep your account safe. You're all set. You don't have to speak to a representative. You can just simply hang up this call, or you'll be transferred to the customer service department, where you can check your balance, set up a direct deposit, and more.
Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,